Hello. On the last video we saw basically how to do everything with the Arcanepad Godot template. Now once we finish our game or our tutorial template, we can export it to the Arcanepad library. So we click here on Add to Library and you can see there are a lot of other games. Let's create a new folder. This is going to be called Godot for template, starter template. You can name it. You can name it whatever you want, like the name of your game. It has to be. It can't have white spaces, or it will break. So it has to be all the one all together. So now here we are going to create a text document, and this is going to be called arcanemeta.json. This is important. It has to be called arcanemeta.json. We open it with Visual Studio if you want, with Visual Studio Code or with any text editor, and we are going to set the name to Godot for starter template. Here you can put the name of your game. And yeah, that's it. Now we can close this. And in the future, this will have more options, like to put your itch.io profile, your name, the description of the game, everything. But at the moment, it's just the name. Also, you can add a cover. Let's add on our downloads. Let's see if we have an image. Well, let's just make an image now of this. I'm going to just play the game. So let's see. Yeah, I'm just going to take a capture of the screen. Yeah, this is fine. Now I'm going to go here to the folder we were editing, starter template. I'm going to bring from my pictures, screenshots, this one, and we paste it here and we name it cover.png. This is important, and still it's not going to work because there is no game. So if we go here and we refresh, it's not loading anything. We need to add a new folder that is called app. Now if we refresh, we have our app. There is a bug because it has changed the names. So I'm going to just close the Arcanepad app and open it again. Now as you can see here we have it, Godot for starter template. I mistyped that. So yeah, but if we click, there is nothing here, it's empty. So as you can see, it's also loading the gamepads as empty. So yeah, we are going to go to our Godot project, export. So we have set up for our gamepad first, because we already did it for editing. So yeah, let's export like this without the view scene, but with the pad and the main scene and everything else. If you're having problems in this is not working, be careful to check there is no missing any dependency, because even if you are not sure, include them, because if there is anything missing, Godot is going to break. So yeah, export all, debug, and where it is exporting. No, we don't want to export to exports. We are going to create a new folder. This is the pad. So exports pad, and change the name to index.html, because this is the way that it detects by default that this is the index. So we save it now, And now we are going to export our view scene instead. So let's go to our scenes. The main scene is needed, but the path is not. So yeah, now we export. Debug. Okay, I think it's export project, not export all. I think I'm messing things up here. So yeah, export project to the exports. Now yeah, this is the root. Save as index.html. Yeah, overwrite because this is wrong. This was the path. And I'm going to do it again just in case for the path, because I think it's with the export project. So we go to the path folder and we save it as index.html. Great. So now I'm going to open the exports folder, opening file manager, and we copy. Here we have, as you can see, our this is the view and this is the path that is inside the view folder. So we copy all this, we go to our Godot for starter template, and on the app we paste all. And now if we enter our app, it's going to load. As you can see, it's loading the gamepad and the viewer, and it should all just it should all work just fine. The pointer seems to not be working. Okay, so the problem is been fixed. Basically, we weren't being able to show the pointer because the default pointer of Godot is an SVG, and it seems like there is a problem exporting SVGs. I'm not sure, but it seems like it wasn't being exported. Anyways, it's not very common to use SVGs on your game. I don't know why they use it, even though I love SVGs. Yeah, it feels awkward. So I just changed it to pointer.png and I'll just open it with Inkscape and just export as a PNG. So if your aim is a PNG, you won't have any problem. Now it's just working fine. As you can see, we are here on the template. I just exported it all again. I did the whole process for the view, and it just load fine. So yeah, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you have any questions, please let me know on our Discord channel, and I'll be glad to helping you. And good luck. See you soon. Goodbye.